based on the DJI F450 frame. This is a CC3D flight controller. This is an FSIA-6 receiver. These are 1045 carbon fiber propellers. This is a A2212 1000 kV motor. These are specially designed floaters which allow you to land on rough or uneven surfaces like water. This is the underwater camera. This is the aerial camera. In Scout, I tried to design short-range drone or quadcopter to be used for surveillance and by extension security. The method of operation would involve it being operated from a base station where the LiPo battery would be charged and a backup battery is maintained depending on the operating distance required. The unit will stand on special inflatable feet which cushion its landing on hard and uneven surfaces and serve as flotation devices, allowing the drone to take off or land on the surface of water. There are numerous sensors and surveillance tools which can be fitted on the drone to aid and enhance its functions. These include different types of cameras, IR temperature sensors, sound level measurement, and recording devices among others. This model
Tanush,
is equipped with two cameras, one for aerial surveillance and the second for underwater surveillance. The aerial camera has a fixed wide-angle lens while the underwater camera is fixed on the end of an extendable arm to the understand of the drone. These propellers can be set up for monitoring while floating on the water to prevent agitation of water and disruption to the marine life below. Some applications of this surveillance drone are monitoring of areas or facilities for safety and security to record or alert upon detection of unauthorized entry or movement, surveillance or monitoring of inhospitable areas where humans might be at risk, can't access or cause disturbance towards being observed. This would include searching in hilly areas, unstable regions, near active volcanoes, areas struck by natural calamities, as long as winds permit, structures or buildings which are damaged, wildlife monitoring in plain areas, etc. Surveillance of underwater areas. The extendable arm and camera allow the drone to view and transmit what is visible from up to 10 meters or so below the surface of water. This will allow for searching for objects below the water or monitoring marine life, considering the propellers can be switched off and will not cause them disturbance. Thank you for watching my presentation.